Hi, today Ask F5 shows you how to install an SSL certificate signed by a third-party certificate authority on an F5OS device. Before we begin, ensure that you have generated a certificate signing request, submitted it to your third-party CA, and have received the signed certificate together with the CA's root certificate, intermediate certificate, or both. To install the signed certificate on an F5OS device, log into the webUI of your F5OS device as the administrative user. Go to Authentication and Access, TLS Configuration. Under CA Bundles, select Add. Enter a name for your CA bundle. Open the CA bundle file you have received from your third-party certificate authority in a text editor. Copy the contents of the file and paste it into the TLS CA certificate box. Select Save and Close when you're done. For TLS certificate and key, select Show. The webUI displays the text boxes for both TLS certificate and TLS key. Open the signed certificate file you have received from your third-party certificate authority in the text editor. Copy the contents and paste it into TLS certificate. Open your private key in a text editor. Copy the contents and paste it into TLS key. If your private key is encrypted with a passphrase, make sure and enter the passphrase in TLS key passphrase. Select Save. The webUI prompts for confirmation on the TLS configuration updates. Select OK to confirm. That's it. If you have questions or comments, please send us an email. Thanks for watching.